Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change App Store region or country on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, I would like for you to know that you could go ahead and create an alternative or second Apple account, okay? If you want to keep your existing subscriptions or store credit, but just need to download a region-locked app, like a banking app or game exclusive to another country, it is much easier to create a separate Apple account. Okay, so when you go ahead and create a separate Apple account, you go ahead and choose another region, okay? But if you just want to use your main or only account, well, let's go ahead and move forward. But first off, there's some prerequisites to do first. If you have store credits, spend them all. Your account balance must be exactly 0. Now, if you do have subscriptions right here, under your account, make sure that you cancel all of your subscriptions, all right? And also, if you currently have or inside a family sharing group, well, you must leave the group before changing regions. Also, prepare a payment info or a valid credit or debit card that is issued by a financial institution in that country. All right, I hope that's clear. Because if you don't have a valid credit, debit card, or billing method issued by a financial institution of that new country that you're trying to access, well, unfortunately, you'll be able to set up the new region. So if you got it all checked, let's move forward. Here are the steps on how to change your region. Go ahead and open up settings. Tap on your name or Apple ID at the very top. As you can see here, I'm currently in the family, so I can't do it. So just tap on your profile or iCloud. Now go ahead and select media and purchases right here in the list. Now go ahead and tap on view account. Wait for it to load. Other once it loads, just tap on country or region. All right. Go ahead and select your preferred country or region. And then when you tap on it, just basically review the terms and conditions, and then tap on agree in the top right corner. For example, Belgium right here. Okay, just click on continue, follow the basic prompts. And then once that's done, in the next page, or if you don't have the payment option in the next page, just go ahead and go back right here and then just tap on payment method. Okay, now just go ahead and set up again the information matching within your location and then just tap on next. And that's how simple it is to change App Store, region, or country on an iPhone. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.